Hello and welcome to TradeWithoutEmotion.com. This is Michael again, and I want to do an update on BRPNF. If you saw the first video I made about this, I was hopefully looking for some big action on this. Not much has happened in the last couple trading days. However, today we've got one of the largest volume days. We had the bid and ask area tighten up considerably from a 60% spread to about a 30-25% spread. Anyhow, I was able to dig up some more information, and I just wanted to present that to you now. Basically, I was able to find the website, which is still under construction, but it looks decent. This company is a gold mining company, and they're in the process of acquiring mines from Ghana, which is in Western Africa, if my geography is correct. But anyhow, this is the website, and as you can see, you can contact the CEO of the company, which I did, and as you can see in this email right here, basically, I just asked him what's the future of the company, where's it going. Hopefully he could speculate on something like this. And the biggest question I asked him is when's some dang press releases coming out explaining what this company is about. You know, that website's not going to cut it, so hopefully we're going to get some PRs in the next couple of days explaining what's going on. I think we have some really good potential on this. There's definitely some interest going on. I don't know why or what, but there's definitely some people collecting a lot of shares on here, so I've been doing the same. I hope to be making the correct choice here. I feel pretty strongly about it. Once I get any information back from the CEO, I'll definitely post his responses on the website on the homepage, which is now sort of our blog area. Basically, I'm just posting some of my trades and what's going on. So let's take a look at some of the information on the technical analysis regarding this company. It's definitely improved considerably over the last few trading days. That's why I'm feeling like something's about to happen. I just have this gut feeling. Anyhow, let's move on. Unfortunately, my L2s aren't showing up here because it's after hours, but I definitely wanted to show that we had a couple of sellers today that sold out at 0.05, and then once we ate through that, we popped right back up into the 7 cent, 7.5 cent area, and we definitely had really good support for most of the day between 0.045 and 0.04, and as high as 0.05. So we had throughout the day probably about a 20% spread, which is considerably better considering the spread has been at 50% for most of all of last week. And this is why I'm thinking something's brewing on this stock. Well, there's another major reason why I think something's brewing on this stock, and it's the volume that occurred today. I'm not concerned that today was a down day because of how high the spread has been over the last couple of weeks. But if you can see right here, you can see that the MACD is definitely heading up, and it's about ready to make a zero line crossover with a signal line crossover, which is extremely bullish. Those of you that have purchased our video are well aware of what the potential is with something like that on a penny stock. We've got significant, well, I wouldn't say significant, but we definitely have some resistance at 7 cents, about 7 cents and 8 cents. And then we have our next resistance areas about at 10 cents. This is very difficult to show on this stock, but as you can see, if I can line it up just right, it's about 10 cents, maybe 10.5, and then we have about 8 cents, or about 7.5. So the break of those two areas would be extremely bullish. And then as you can see, we have nothing but blue skies all the way up to, what is that, 90 cents? I think that would be a very good, what is that, a 9-bagger? If you got in at about 5, I guess it's about 10. Anyhow, like I said, there's not much you can really say on the technical analysis on this because of the lack of data. But from what I'm seeing right now and what we're presented with, I think this is a really good stock. I particularly like that we have the biggest volume day. It's actually not showing up properly, but the numbers show that the volume exceeded this day right here by about 20,000 shares. So anyhow, trade without emotion, and hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you later.